Hello guys, this is Almajin Sivanes from Philippines.
And this is Subha from Bahrain.
So tell me about yourself, Suba. How old are you?
I am 15 years old.
Okay. So I am 26 years old. Where do you live, Suba?
I live in Bashira, Mahfouz.
Okay. So I live Suba's house, working on him. And then, okay. May I ask where school you go?
I study in Al Shafiya School in Adliya.
Okay. What grade?
I am in grade 10
Good.
for the second term.
So can you share me about your school?
My school that because of these problems that we are facing now, we cannot be going to school and we always have to be doing online classes, and most of the students aren't listening and they're always like doing they're always naughty and not like listening to the teachers.
How about you? You do like that also or no?
No, I listen to the teacher.
Oh, that's good. So you have vacation? How's your vacation?
My vacation was going like so far very well because I go out with my family, I go around, I explore places that I haven't seen before. I go also to see like I go to the beaches also.
Wow, that's
like
good.
To change weather instead of staying inside the home always.
Okay,
I'm
so
playing technology and computer and my mobile.
wow, so you enjoy really. So speaking of school, you have friends in school?
Yeah, I have friends in school.
So how
but
many
most
friends
of them
you have?
aren't good. I
Oh.
have only like one good friend. His name is Mahmoud.
Mahmoud only? Oh.
Yeah, because he's a very good friend that I can trust him.
So if you have a friend in school, you have friend in your home or in your neighbors?
Yeah, and with my neighbors, I have friends, and he's called Faisal, and yeah,
Same nationality with you?
yeah.
Okay,
Same
so you're happy with
nationality.
them?
Yeah, I'm happy with them.
Okay, so you have siblings or no?
No, I don't have any siblings.
So
I'm only
most
one.
of you, if you're the only one, what behavior you have? Are you OA or nonchalant?
No.
What? No, you can tell if you're OA.
I'm very quiet. I don't like speak really much. When I'm in front of people, like I don't. I only like speak like necessary stuff only.
Oh, that's
And
good.
how your day is going and what you're doing now.
Okay, this is a good example for us to talk each other, so you can learn how to talk, and you're practicing to good communication to someone.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Can you tell about your achievement?
Yeah, one of my achievements is that I got a certificate in grade 10 for a second term, and it was in my class that I was in one of the best student of the month.
Wow!
And I also got
That's
a
great.
medal for my ICT project for term 2. It was a really big project that me and my friend Mahmoud we have done. I brought all of the stuff and I have did the project, and he has helped. He has only helped me in explanation to
So you got a high
the
grades for it?
coordinators and the staff. So me and Mahmoud we worked really good for our project. I did me and my cousin we did the lightings and also for the buildings,
Wow, that's good.
and he did the explanation.
It's good that you help each other for that project and then you got achieved for that. So a big challenge for that on you to achieve the challenge. What? Okay. Can you tell me how's your Ramadan going as a Bahraini people?
Yeah, my Ramadan is going pretty well.
You attend like what do you call that? What do you attend when you're having a Ramadan?
I'm attending online classes, and if
How
I
about
have full time,
Majlis? As a Ramadan, as a Bareilly people, you need to attend Majlis as a
yeah, I attend
Muslim.
Majlis.
So
I
how's
visit the other
Majlis?
people. I talk with them, and yeah, about this one also, about the same thing that you have asked me. Now I talk also to them about these things,
Wow.
and it was really fun, and I have actually really enjoyed it.
So you find friends on them?
Yeah, because they're very friendly people.
The same as your
Because-
age?
Because my father actually knows them, so I had a good conversation with them. We had a good communication.
That's good that you're practicing interacting with someone else, but your father had to also, no?
Yeah.